Let's see how we can use the Mixtable spreadsheet for Shopify to bulk edit our inventory information. In this example, we'll be starting from scratch, building up the columns to show our inventory at our various locations. But for ease of use, you may want to start with our convenient inventory template, which will set up all the columns for you. So let's start. First, we want to find an empty column. Click the link button, select Inventory, select the location. In this case, it's our headquarters. Then select the inventory type you'd like to show. In this case, I'll pick the available inventory. Click the Save button, and Mixtable will immediately start loading the existing inventory at this particular location. I would also like to show the inventory at our main warehouse. And now we can see the inventory that is available at both these locations side by side. From here, we can make manual changes, such as changing a cell directly. We can copy and paste the content of a cell, and we can also use formulas to come up with the value that we need. Once we are good and ready, we can click the Sync Worksheet Changes to Shopify button to send this information to Shopify. We can see that our cells went from yellow to white, which means the information was sent over to Shopify. Another feature of how you can use Mixtable to edit your inventory information is inventory adjustments. It is possible that while you're syncing inventory numbers from Mixtable to Shopify, inventory gets updated in Shopify and your inventory numbers can become out of sync. To help with this case, Mixtable offers a convenient inventory adjustment column. The inventory adjustment column can be added in the same manner. And it can be used to decrease or increase the inventory at a location, irrespective of what the current inventory level is. So in this example, we'd like to increase by 50 the inventory of our apples at our headquarters. So once we've entered the value 50, we initiate a sync to Shopify. We see the cell become white, which means the information was sent to Shopify. And in a moment, we'll see the available inventory for our apples increased by 50 at our headquarters location. The value has now synced. Now, what this example showed was syncing inventory information from Mixtable to Shopify. If the inventory in Shopify is modified, those changes will also automatically be reflected in the inventory numbers that you see here. That's it. And that is just how easy it is to manage your inventory using the Mixtable spreadsheet for Shopify.